What we have here is a missing arm, a bad motor, quit working. It's a rearwiper on a 2008 Escalade. So we're going to change the motor and put a new wiper arm on and a new wiper blade. Hang tight. Alright, first things first, gotta get this outer nut here off. Everything else is inside. I think that comes off. Probably part of the door. First things first, we have to take the top trim off. Alright, first things first, you have to take this top trim off. This piece here. It pops down. Can't find it. Metal clips, that's all that holds that up. Set that down, you got the auto lift there, set it down, let it chill out for a few minutes because now 8mm and 8 that Torx. There's gotta be a Torx. Okay, then Torx. Yeah, we need a Torx. is T30 Torx. Plastic clip holding it, metal one on the bottom, plastic clip on the top. It wasn't much. Never is. Oops. Well, hi. Now, got a little plug right here. You want to make sure you unplug before you take this all the way down, because that would be real bad. See? Plug right there. push the center in, and it releases the lock, so you can pop it out. Really? We're doing that today? You have to get it up over the locking mechanism for the hatch, or for the back window, to get it off. We're not locking that. There's your back panel. Now, motors up here. Move this out of the way. Get out. All right. Unplug it. Unplug it right there. Now, 10, 10. That should be about it. Really?
Probably made a little bit better than the $10 one from Dollar General.
More than likely.
Not wrong.
I know.
That I can't listen to music at my store. I'm not allowed.
Well, don't let them Walmart people fool you. Third shift sure as fuck does.
Well, there's no customers.
I go in there 5:45 in the morning. They're fucking jamming. 6 o'clock comes. Gone.
Silence.
The only thing you hear is the Walmart radio.
That thing's annoying because it's
Walmart radio.
it's pre-recorded.
Oh.
Everything's pre-recorded.
But they want to make it sound like.
It plays the same song.
But they want to make it sound like, oh, shout out to store number, whatever. You hear that shit all the time.
What, we took the Malibu
Yeah.
and I'm singing along to all the different songs that are coming on in each
Hey, I hate to break it to you, but you really shouldn't listen to the songs in Walmart. It'll rot your brain. What?
Working for Walmart will rot your brain.
Oh, yes, I know. They're very much so full of shit. On so many levels.
You guys love going to Wally World.
I don't mind it because I make a lot of money in Wally World. $3,000 a week in bread. Thank you. Have a nice day. And you got the private label guy going, oh, well, you think you're so holy crap because you're running that much. I'm running 3 to 4 times as much. I'm like, good for you, bro. I ain't got to touch it that many times. You know?
Right.
I touch it once, I put it on the shelf, I walk out the back door. You walk in the back room, this guy's got stacks upon stack upon stack. I mean, he don't know what fresh bread is.
Oh,
Considering it's probably about 3 to 4 days old before his shit gets to the shelf.
not our bread. Our fresh bread, it gets put up at that.
Well, yeah, you're a lower volume store than what has to do.
Yeah. And
He flips the shelf 3 times a day. Completely empty, completely, he'll stock it, and he's got other merchandisers that come in to stock it. 3 times a day.
you should see them owners loading up on that fresh baked bread that we sell.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah, they love it. They're really like, that.
Yeah.
You gotta get Chinese food there. Put the order in there, and then the sad part is now is they're not making you pay anymore. When you order it, you pay when you pick it up.
Yeah, they did that to us a
China-
couple times.
Chinese, the China kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how they do it now.
You know why? They get too many fake fucking numbers.
I was gonna say they want that tip.
They don't get one. If I gotta stand up to grab my food, you only get a tip. I love what Granny used to say though. She go into a sit-down restaurant, she give a good tip. Okay? If you're a Chinese buffet, the only thing they do is refill my drinks. That's $1. That's all they get, $1 per person. That's good.
She ain't wrong.
She was old school though.
Yeah, these new ones nowadays.
They want you to tip 20-25%.
Oh yeah, and if you don't tip at least 25%, 20%, you get ugly looks, dirty
Bust out.
looks. You're getting your fucking salary.
Granted, they make less than a regular non-tip worker. I mean, I get that, but as soon as you, like Crystal, Jen wouldn't tip her and she's staying here and demand a tip, that makes me want to give you a tip that much less.
Right.
I mean, I'm not trying to be a dick about it, but, I mean, you should be able to tip what you can afford.
Right.
In fact, in some of these restaurants, and I'll be honest with you, if employees from some of these restaurants are going online and saying that, like Outback and all that, well, maybe it's not Outback, but a few of them, their employees are making a big deal about tips online, I just won't go there. If I can't tip you when I can afford to tip you, have a
You
nice
don't
day.
deserve my business.
No. 9 times out of 10, I just go to fast food anyway, but still. Right.
Well, anymore they
Pizza
want
shop.
tips too.
They
Yeah.
don't deserve it.
No, they get paid their salary. They don't get tip salary. Or they don't get tip money.
Right.
I started tipping them a little bit, and I'm all like, I don't like that.
If I gotta stand up to get my food, you ain't getting a tip. If I had to come into your establishment and sit down.
Now, I'll give McDonald's that.
What?
When you come in, you stand there for a second, you order your food, you can go sit down, and they'll bring it to you. I'll give McDonald's that.
Yeah, but you know, 9 times out of 10, when you fast food places now, it's all, you order your own shit. You're typing it in the charges for that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, they want you to be like Amazon. And the button's not plugged in. That's why I won't go back down. Button's on.
Yeah, no, it's on the thing. Notice I didn't really.
So you were saying it wouldn't go up or down.
At least this one we didn't have to heat up like that. His arm didn't want to come off.
He's all like, you're gonna burn the hell out of that. I'm like, yeah, I got this.
No, that was forced.
Oh, forced. Somebody said it. I knew somebody said it.
It wasn't me, that was forced. I'm like, yeah, he's gonna melt it just enough to get it off that nut.
Sometimes you feel like a nut.
Sometimes you don't. Almond Joy's got nuts.
And you don't.
I do.
Birdie don't.
Birdie don't. I do.
Well, you do. They're just decorations.
Yeah.
Oh, the Christmas balls. Got a Christmas tree. It's just for decoration. Brother will kick your ass.
Never I looked it up before. What's it coming off?
I know. That's been coming
I got some double-sided sticky tape for it to eat.
off.
There it is.
Found it!
And it's a cookie.
Alright, that'll make me happy. Throaty's a little bit more safe. Now Throaty can wipe its own ass.
Right.
Dad loves the headlights on this thing. He's got brand new ones in his. Because when I bought the bulbs, I bought the white ones, not the amber ones. I bought the higher end bulbs. Remember when you and I went in there, we bought the bulbs. It was like $150 for every fucking bulb. We got the more expensive bulbs. I did that shit on purpose. Bulbs. The halo. Next step up. That's the big thing. Same with the damn fog light. Let me tell you what. You go down the road with Brody's main lights on and her fog lights on,
She light up your world.
you land in airplanes.
Like Dad used to because of the escalator.
Right. This one can do it.
When Dad had the one after that one over there,
He had buggy lights on the back.
I put three LED buggy lights in the back, or underneath the front and underneath the back. And I tapped them into the backup lights into the back. So when he put it in reverse, this whole everything behind it was lit up like a Christmas tree. And I tucked them up underneath. And they were up back by the wheels, pointing straight back. So when he turned them on, this looked like headlights back here.
Shit.
And when the front, the fog lights.
His
had the
major
old-
complaint was he couldn't see the lights in the camera.
Yeah. It was so bright back there, the camera, you couldn't see out of the camera.
Just like he got pulled over on 480 because his license plate lights were out. So I upgraded him to those white ones. They're really, really bright, and now they're interfering with the camera. But that cop hasn't pulled him over again.
Cop can see his license.
Cop can see for days.
Oh yeah.
Every time Dad wants an upgrade for lights on his,
He gets those bright ones.
Yeah. We don't play around with Dad. Dad gets. He
Dad
wants
needs.
bright. Dad gets bright. Dad wants bright. He gets holy hell. The sun just came out in the middle of the day, or the middle of the night.
Now, the only thing left to do for this is the door handles, the mirrors, figure out what's going on with the damn screws. That's probably not cool. The light turns on, but it won't engage.
Did you say the heat control or the seat controls aren't working too?
Right.
Where's that at?
Don't know.
Is it on the door or on the dashboard?
This thing's got some new. Then I found out this thing's got fuse boxes underneath that are unmarked.
Oh, good.
Because Dad said when he got the cruise control fixed in the ESV, Midway says here, they pulled out a whole cluster of fuses, fuse boxes. He goes, this was your problem. Because even the center console in here won't work for the lighter.
Right there.
The big box is under the hood.
Right there.
That don't work anymore. He said.
What, the button?
Yeah,
They worked before?
They worked before, but they don't work now.
I bet you I forgot to plug them in.
I bet you you're right.
I forgot to plug in.
Well, you were kind of in a hurry that day because Dad was bearing down on us.
30 minutes flat. I changed the window regulator. Matter of fact, I posted that video. The video will come out Wednesday, and it's 18 minutes long.
Oh, God.
I literally cut the video in half, speeding it up, and it's literally just sitting back. Well, I'm like back by the second doors, just videoing. Just me hauling ass on it. Yeah. Hopefully Dad was impressed.
Yeah, I know. Pieces, parts everywhere.
Yep.
Shit everywhere.
Yep.
Those Cadillac.
Oh, it was fun.
But Dad did say though that she seemed to be running okay.
Try this again.
We'll just edit that part out.
Oh, I will.
Right on the video.
Open the hatch up.
After?
Yeah.
You can hit that one in. Every time I do, you pop it back up.
Alright.
Suck it.
Plastic.
Just pinch your finger between it. Uh-huh. Ooh,
Thank you.
I'm sliding in my hand. Sorry, I was in the room. That one.
Is there one there?
Yep.
Mm.
I think he's.
Didn't know if this was the same one. It looks like it. What are you looking for? Your other one is in the house.
More you know. See the button top of the hatch is right there. The button.